Join me as I put the Garmin FENIX 8 Pro to the test and see if it really lives up to its title as the world's most advanced GPS watch. The Garmin FENIX 8 Pro is undoubtedly the most advanced GPS watch on the market, packed with features that make it the perfect companion for outdoor enthusiasts and fitness enthusiasts alike. With its rugged design, cutting-edge technology, and seamless integration, this watch is designed to help you take your adventures to the next level. When it comes to navigating the great outdoors, reliability is key. Whether you're hiking through dense forests, climbing treacherous mountains, or simply trying to find your way around the city, a trustworthy GPS watch can make all the difference. But for many outdoor enthusiasts, finding a watch that can keep up with their active lifestyle is a constant challenge. Whether it's weak GPS signals, poor battery life, or limited functionality, there are plenty of reasons why many GPS watches fall short. One of the biggest frustrations for outdoor enthusiasts is dealing with weak GPS signals. We've all been there. You're in the middle of a challenging hike, and suddenly your GPS watch loses signal, leaving you stranded and disoriented. It's a frustrating experience that can quickly turn a fun adventure into a stressful ordeal. And when you're trying to track your fitness goals, a weak GPS signal can be a major setback, making it impossible to accurately track your progress. Another common issue with GPS watches is poor battery life. Let's face it, when you're out in the wilderness, the last thing you want to worry about is your watch running out of juice. But with many GPS watches, poor battery life is a constant concern, leaving you to constantly recharge or worry about running out of power at the worst possible moment. For fitness enthusiasts, finding a GPS watch that can keep up with their active lifestyle is also a major challenge. Whether you're a professional athlete or just a casual runner, having a watch that can accurately track your progress, monitor your health, and provide valuable insights is crucial. But with so many GPS watches on the market, finding one that truly meets your needs can be overwhelming. The Garmin FENIX 8 Pro is designed to address these challenges head-on, with a range of innovative features that set it apart from the competition. One of the standout features of this watch is its multiband GPS, which provides unparalleled accuracy and reliability, even in the most challenging environments. Whether you're trekking through dense forests or climbing towering mountains, this watch can keep up with you every step of the way. In addition to its advanced GPS capabilities, the FENIX 8 Pro also includes a range of health monitoring features, including heart rate monitoring, stress tracking, and advanced sleep analysis. This watch is designed to provide valuable insights into your overall health and wellness, helping you optimize your performance and take your fitness to the next level. But what really sets the FENIX 8 Pro apart is its customizable sports modes. Whether you're a runner, cyclist, swimmer, or triathlete, this watch has got you covered, with advanced tracking features and customizable data screens that let you tailor the watch to your specific needs. One of the most impressive features of the FENIX 8 Pro is its solar charging capabilities. This means that you can harness the power of the sun to charge your watch, even when you're on the go. Whether you're hiking through the wilderness or simply spending time outdoors, this feature is a game changer, providing you with a reliable source of power that never runs out. But that's not all. The FENIX 8 Pro also boasts an impressive battery life, with up to 14 days of battery life in smartwatch mode and up to 30 hours of GPS mode. This means that you can enjoy all the